Singing, how could she do this to me? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to only me. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I have a video for you guys. I cannot wait to talk about this wig. And it's so funny because I literally wrote someone on Instagram and I was like, girl, your hair is fire. Like, cause her hair looked just like this, and I had this wig come in the mail and I am so stoked about it. It is from Subella. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. All the details and information and link to the company is going to be down in the description box, so make sure you check there. But they sent me this very beautiful brown ombre black wig. It is light at the top and then the back is a chocolate brown. I am obsessed with it, obsessed with it. It is an 8x5 lace closure wig and it has 4C edges. And now I've already mentioned this, the trick is to comb them out, comb them edges out. Okay, get an edge brush. All you're gonna do, you can brush it, fluff it up, comb it a little bit, and then just get it to where you feel is natural, and that's literally all you have to do. But I just cannot get over it. They did their thing with this color, like this ombre brown to like darker brown. What is it? Let me see what they said this was actually, because I don't want to get it wrong. It is an 8x5 black to brown ombre wig. Subella, y'all did that. Y'all did that. This is absolutely stunning all year round. All year round. Okay. Okay, the construction of this wig, you guys are probably already watching it now. It came with an elastic band and I believe 3 combs. I really wish that it had a drawstring or an adjustable strap in the back, but I definitely took advantage of the combs and the elastic band. So that was really nice. And it is pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything. It is just ready to wear. You can install this with glue, wig melting spray, hairspray, whatever you want to lay this down. Or you can rock it glueless if it is tight enough around the perimeter of your head. So it's just something you're going to have to figure out once you get it. But child, I am so happy about this wig. It's so fluffy, so soft, and so big. Oh my god, I literally do not have anything bad to say. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see the edges a little bit more. And you can literally, like I was saying, brush them to like how you feel looks best on you, right? So you just gotta like play with it. And sometimes I take a little bit of my edges out around the perimeter and really like blend it, and I feel like that makes it look super, super natural. Now, you don't have to wear your edges like this. You could literally rock your edges the way that you see fit. You can swoop them if you want. It's up to you. But I wanted to show you guys how these 4C edges look and how natural they can look too. So you don't gotta be afraid of it. Don't gotta be afraid of it. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
I'm so exhausted.
Singing, how could she do this to me? Oh, I thought that girl belonged to only me, but I was wrong. She belongs to